Alright, Mr. TJ, what do you think about the school bus rural system? Rural school bus system?
Yeah, as me there said before, you know, a good thing, don't it? Cause you don't know go, most of the parents them can't find it. Fear to send them out to school. So help them, don't it?
Yeah, me G, what do you think about the rural school bus system?
Can't cuss bad word.
No.
Strictly foolishness.
Why you say that?
1,500 I bust them, man. You see how much money they spend on when they go and they have to change all door. Change all kind of, they have to fix up some parts of that side. Foolishness there already.
I want to make you say that.
Why make me say that?
Yeah.
Because I do my research and see so then cheap. A foolish then they could buy some better bus in Pitney them and then come tell like so then spend $1.6 billion. They ain't even near. You know close.
Today we there with?
Fully classical, one and only, you know? Fully active.
Alright, Mr. Classical, what do you think about the rural school bus system?
Well, I not think nothing about them, you know. It's good in our way because sometimes you know say Pitney we delay up on the road and with the school bus you know them we more earlier because you dep on time, you see it. But I don't see nothing wrong with it still. Obviously, I see nothing wrong.
I'm in the school bus, where are you? In a coaster? In a taxi? No taxi to the dance. School bus instead.
The magic school bus.
All of them are
Rural school bus. School bus. Rural school bus at work. Yeah, people wanna like the video, see me, subscribe and see me. Yeah man, follow, like the video, comment in the comment section.